I've been exploring the Loóna Sleep mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Loóna is a sleep and relaxation app built around interactive sleepscapes that mix gentle storytelling, calming visuals, and soothing audio to help you unwind before bed or during stressful moments in the day. It is mainly designed for people who struggle to switch off at night or want a more engaging alternative to traditional meditation apps. The core experience involves guided sessions that feel like simple, slow-paced games where you color scenes, light lanterns, or explore cozy environments while listening to soft narration and ambient sounds. This approach can make it easier for restless minds to focus on something relaxing without feeling pressured to meditate correctly, and many users say it helps them fall asleep faster and feel less anxious at bedtime. The app is highly polished with detailed artwork and themed stories, and it has earned an Editor's Choice badge and a strong average rating around 4.6 from tens of thousands of reviews, suggesting a consistently positive experience for most people. However, it is not without flaws. A lot of the content sits behind a subscription, so you may feel limited on the free tier and need to decide fairly quickly whether the cost fits your budget. Some reviewers mention occasional technical hiccups and frustrations around subscription management or trial periods, even though others report smooth access. So experiences can vary depending on your device and expectations. Overall, if you value immersive visuals and story-driven relaxation more than plain timers or simple white noise, Loóna is a solid choice to try, especially during its trial period. It seems best suited to people who enjoy guided, game-like wind-down routines and do not mind paying for premium content, while those looking for a completely free, no-frills sleep app may want to weigh the subscription and potential quirks before committing. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.